what's going on, y'all? Sadistic Picker back with another, what's that? Hashtag Mini Lock Monday! Woohoo! I love this day. Even better yet, I love a pickoff. That's right, this is a pickoff. You, Mr. Steve's lockpicking. I'm gonna whip your ass on this pick, buddy. That's right. Look familiar? Does this look familiar? Oh, nope. You got the covert companion. I got this from very merry Nixmas or Pixmas giveaway. Yeah, it was something like that. I'm sorry, Nick, if I butchered the shit out of that. But yeah, I do love using this baby from time to time. I'm not good with the hook, but I have got a few with the offset hybrid and definitely have used the shit out of these babies. And that's what we're going to do today. We're going to use the shit out of these babies. So let's see if we can't beat Mr. Steve's time. And I know he probably picked his right. We ain't going to pick ours right. We're going to fucking cheat. So check this out, Steve. Oh, no. Come on. Come on. And there it is. Ta-da! What was that? 40 seconds? All right, let's try. Let's try a different one. Let's do this one. All right, round two. I don't know if this one's gonna. Huh. There it is. Ah! Okay. Yeah, we used the round one, right? Let's use this one. So, if you guys don't know who Steve is, Steve's Lockpicking, go check his channel out. Or ladylocks, where he got his beautiful, oh, I just had it there and missed it. Where he got his beautiful covert companion and little 30mm, there it is. That didn't even pop. My thumb must have been in the way. It didn't do a good pop. I like to hear that little pop. Just gotta feel that. Come on. Ah, there it went. So anyway, yeah, you just gotta feel that when the pins go in, you can just feel the cord drift. I love it. I love raking locks. I suck at it terrible, but by God, I love to do it every chance I get. Hey, if you guys like this Mini Lock Monday, make sure to hit the like button. If you guys go over to Steve's channel, make sure to hit the like button on his. He did a lot better job with his content than I did with mine. But, you know, we all got our own styles, and mine is shite. I'm just kidding. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. I can do some picking. I can do some mean picking. And hey, you guys, also, the black belt picker, Miss Ladylocks, go check her channel out. You want to see some incredible picking. Man, is she putting out some shit lately. Not that any of her content before wasn't crazy good. Really unbelievable leaps and bounds. Deserves a big thumbs up and lots of subs. So you guys go check her channel out, sub up, tell them Sadistic sent you, and you know what? Hippie picking, y'all.